Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through one of our newest arrivals. This is a 2023 Scout 195 Sportfish. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the midnight blue hull color, white bottom, white rub rail with stainless steel insert. Standard on this boat, really dresses it up nicely. This boat is powered by 150 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. We've got a swim ladder and a swim step on the port side. And now we'll make our way inside the boat. So here in the cockpit on Scout's 195 Sportfish, this is a really wide boat. This is an 8.6 beam, very wide for a 19. We've got bolsters that run all the way midship, some added comfort. Nice stainless steel grab rail here. Jump seats on either side of the boat with a nice tall backrest. Make this cockpit a very comfortable place to sit. We've got a splash well that'll keep this area dry. Cup holders for both aft passengers. And good access to the bilge on this boat as well. Really large hatch. Of course, everything is all finished and polished like with all Scouts. Everything is really easy to get to as well. This is a self-bailing cockpit, so all water is going to drain over the sides. We've got rod storage on both sides beneath the gunnels. Also great for a boat hook or a deck brush. And then coming forward, this leaning post tilts forward and exposes a live well. Very deep live well that's lit. Also makes for a good cooler. And then you can actually remove this backrest altogether, and you can kind of create more of an aft-facing seat if you're fishing off the back or if you're pulling a steer. Here at the helm, we've got a footrest that adjusts. Battery switch is located here. Glove box with charging ports for our phones. That is lockable. We can fit a 9-inch display here. Fusion Bluetooth head unit. Our Yamaha digital gauges are here. Aircraft style toggle switches for our pumps, lights, and horn. Steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. We do have trim tabs on this boat. Half acrylic windshield gives this boat really good ventilation when you're running. Powder coated T-top looks really sharp as well. That comes integrated with the rocket launchers and the T-bag storage net. Spreader lights on the aft end help illuminate the cockpit too. Coming around inside the console, nice sized console on this boat with a recessed floor that drains. You can do a porta potty on this boat, but otherwise it's just a great storage area. You fit a boat cover in there very easily. And then moving forward, we've got a cooler seat with a built-in backrest. Beneath this seat is actually where batteries are located, so very easily to access those. We've got optional backrests that remove on this particular boat, so it makes this bow seating area a little more versatile. You can face forward in addition to what you normally see, which is facing aft. And then beneath this bow cushion is a really nice casting area. So a lot of real estate to maneuver up here. Not just on the actual deck, but on the foredeck as well. I'm not worried about stepping off or anything. You feel safe in doing so, maneuvering around. And then a lot of storage beneath this area. You've got a boat cover here, some of the boat with shrink wrap, and also easy access to the anchor line. Anchor is housed here, really easy to get to. We've also got cup holders on either side and a pair of Bluetooth speakers up front. Again, I'm Carl Anderson. That's a walkthrough of Scout's 195 Sportfish. This boat is here at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. And again, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.